Exploration means searching for the purpose of discovering countries. Europeans followed new sea routes to find places that were unknown to them. By the end of the 15th century, Europeans became very curious about lands far away from their continent. They wanted to learn what waited across the ocean. With voyages, they discovered countries in Asia, America, and Africa. They gathered information about the people there and the resources that could help them. In this chapter, we look at the reasons for these explorations, the big journeys, and the leaders who guided ships. We also learn about the arrival of Europeans in the East. Before the late 15th century, Europeans did not know much about what lay beyond the sea. Maps were missing, and distant shores were mysteries. But curiosity grew. Sailors used better ships and brave hearts to keep going, even when the routes were new. Some people hoped for spices, gold, and helpful trade. Others simply wanted to see the world and prove they could reach it. At last, European ships sailed toward eastern ports. Along the busy waterfront, sailors met merchants, shared goods, and noticed many different customs. Each new journey made the world feel a little smaller, and it reminded everyone that discovery includes learning about people, not just places.